So ke futhi kuleyo gaba cha nginazo ingodosi zimbili. Sekumbili ingodosi izingane zo9 enginazo. Isifiso sami ke ukuthi ngithathe omama bebe bawu6. Bebe 2. Isifiso leso sami ukuthi ngithathe omama bebe bawu6. Kodwa angifuni mina ukuthatha abantu abazofike bona baqabane la ekhaya ngoba egcineni ubona isithembu sigqekwa left and right. Isithembu asinankinga. Inkinga iqala uma ngabe mina baba ngithatha uMaZulu noma ngithatha uMamkhize ngimhlanganisa noMantombela. Bebe bengazwani. Ngiyingane mina engithole ngaphandle. uMantombela unezingane. uMamkhize unezingane. Uma ngabe bona bengezwani bobabili mina ngizolindela kanjani ukuthi uma ngibathatha bobabili izingane ezwani. Uma ngabe ngithatha abantu bengezwani ngibe ngazi kahle ukuthi abezwani. Kufanele ngazi ukuthi ke the day ngithathe ngibathatha ngibashaya kufanele ngazi ukuthi umndeni wala ekhaya is the day ngihlukanisa phakathi. Ukazi wami ufikile Lindelwa Zondi endaweni yaseMtuba kwaMpokunyoni ophondweni. Ngihlangane naye ngo-2010.
Igama lami nguLindelwe Ngwazondi, ngihlala eMtobatoba, ngineminyaka ewu-32.
Naye kwaba yilapha-ke ngabeka khona amagama ngembona ukuthi cha inhle le ntombi ingathi ingafaneleka lapha ekhaya.
Sathandana from there until 2013 siba nomntwana. Dise waletha amalobolo ekhaya. Umuntu onothando, othandayo ukusiza abantu, kakhulukazi uba nama-solutions amaningi nje kubantu.
Ngiyakuthandaza.
Hi everybody, welcome to Reality Buzz TV, and do make sure that you subscribe, you guys. The subscribe button is right here. So last night we watched the episode of Umnakwethu, which was the reunion part 2. I think we're going to have part 3. We might even possibly have part 4 because there's so much to get into when it comes to like one-on-one couples, like one by one. Okay, we need all of the scope when it comes to how they are doing after the episode of Umnakwethu. Now, you guys, we haven't seen Inyanga Umzimbo Nemali talk about what's happening with him, because that episode was one of the most controversial, because the whole show is, you know, all of it, but his episode was especially controversial because they had a child that looked like she could be 15, and she was saying, she said she's 19 or 20, and she has not attended the reunion. We haven't seen her, and I'm not surprised, because if that is my child, listen, uswazi lo mpentshisi nje ngiyamshaya ukuthi ulandeni lapha ku-TV number 1 bese ngiyamvalela endlini ukuthi akukho reunion ozoyi-attenda lana, hambe uyobhala i-exam esikoleni. That is me as a mom, okay? So I imagine ukuthi her parents were like, what the hell were you doing there? Ikhehla elingaka, what are you going to do with ikhehla? Okay? So I'm not surprised that she's not there. But randomly, you guys, because YouTube does that to you, okay? You'll be sitting chilling, and then randomly this interview gets recommended to me. It's an interview that he did in 2021, okay? 3 years ago. We're now in 2024, and he was just talking about his work, why guys. I imagine having a husband on a daily, like we're going out to a restaurant, Father God, okay, if you want to give my husband lots of money, please do it, okay? But please, okay, I would rather stay broke than have a man that works. Yo, guys, I wouldn't be able to cope. Okay, please make sure. I do want the money. Give him lots and lots of money plus, but please don't make it a condition that he must wear the money, because I cannot. Okay. Now, you guys, in 2021, he did an interview where he is talking about how he has 2 of Ingodos. Ingodos is a fiance. Okay. And ngesizulu if umuntu uthi ingoduso, it means ukuthi usuhambile wayovela ekhaya something usuwenze something ekhaya in terms of ilobolo, okay? And while he's talking about, you know, the fiancés, he doesn't mention uMazondi, which is the thing that actually made me think, what's going on here? Okay, so it's in 2021. I was like, oh, that means that Mazondi is the wife that he has now, the one that was being asked to accept the child that was supposed to be number 2. So I found it to be strange. Okay, he already in 2021 already had 2 fiancés, and he had said his intention was to have 6 wives, and he doesn't count uMazondi kuleyo yonke leyo nto leyo. Okay, I'm like, okay, fine. No, it's okay. Whatever the reason is for him not to mention uMazondi, but he had intention to take 6 wives. Now I'm asking myself, what happened to those fiancés that he had in 2021? You know, it wouldn't be a shock if the ladies just made their minds and they were like, listen, this is crazy. I'm not staying here. I'm leaving. And they left him. Okay, but he says here, now when you get a wife, you have to make sure ukuthi uyamdlisa unkosikazi, uyamqinisa njani so that the wife never leaves. Okay, so I would wonder, you guys, ukuthi why ngabaqinisa ngani lama fiance akhe 2 that he's talking about in 2021 if they are no longer around? Because on umnakwethu, you guys, he only talked about having 1 wife, which was uMazondi, that we see even at the reunion. She is there ready to explain what happens or what happened after the episode. So that was a strange thing, you guys. But then I was like, no man, let me go back, okay, and watch the Mnakwethu episode with uMazondi, because uMazondi said that she is 32 years old, okay, and she's 32 when in 2024, and she says he also confirms that they met in 2010. Okay, listen, you guys. Okay, I got a D in my maths in high school, so I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Did I get a D? Yes. It was the only D that I got in matric. So maybe I didn't calculate very well. But when I calculated, I was like, she was 16 when they met. And it's clear to say we met Satandana. And then in 2013, we started in 2010. And she was only 16. I don't know why in 2021 she's not talking about her, because she was already there, uMazondi. But she was 16. Now, you guys, I know some people were saying that child that we saw, that he was saying he wants as a number 2 wife, was not really young. She just looks young. You know, she just has a body of a young, young girl, but she's not. She might not be that young. I'm like, guys, this is not, I've been saying, guys, that Zulu men be embarrassing us Zulus, going by kids' schools and shelling the kids. It's possible that even uMazondi shall when you're 16 at school, and because if you are 16, you are definitely at school. Okay, if you are late, you are doing grade 10 or grade whatever 9. But if you hamba ngesikhathi, you are there by grade 11 or grade 12 when you are 16. Okay, so obviously this is a guy that goes around schools and shella the kids. That is the problem. We have a problem in KZN. Okay, we have a problem. Sinabo Musamsele, Nabo Makumalo, and the fact that just as a country, we just watch this information and we just, it's entertainment on TV that this man keeps going to school and meeting young girls, and then he wants to marry them, and then people will be like, but what is the problem if he ends up marrying them? And I'm like, no, they are underage when he meets them. So basically, uMazondi was 16 when she met uBaba wakwakhe. What is this man doing with young kids? Okay, for me, it's a confirmation that child is underage. They are saying that she's not, but I feel like she's definitely underage. One, because they did admit that he met that child at school, and the child is still at school. Remember, uMazondi even asked her, aren't you supposed to be writing exams right now that you are here? So I don't know if they are going to do it, but I cannot wait to hear and watch if Linda Spear is going to ask the relevant questions. I need these men to be asked, nenzani ema high school, nenzani ema high school. Aningani emaklabhini niyoshela ngempela. Ningaya ngisho empeshenini yezalukwazi niyoshela. But what are you doing in schools, talking to girls about being number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6? What the hell are they doing? This is something that I feel like in our country is not taken seriously. Men proposing to young girls, okay? What are you doing with a 16-year-old as an old man? Why are you going to a school and then ending up seeing somebody that you want to make to be your wife? Okay. Anyway, you guys, I do wonder what happened to his dream of having 6 wives, because obviously the fiancés are not there. Okay. And Mazondi is there, and Mazondi is acting like she knew nothing about indaba yokuthi kufanele kuthathwe isithembu. But this guy was there. Women, we can be delusional. Your man was sitting there doing an interview saying he wants 6 wives. But when you were acting like you are shocked by the fact that he's asking you for the 2nd wife. Sometimes we can be delulu. You know? Anyway, you guys, that's all that I wanted to talk about. I cannot wait for the segment on Umnagwetu reunion where they talk to this man, because I feel like even though we cannot talk to every man that is doing this creepy thing of going to high schools, but if we can get one man, to sit down for an interview, then maybe he must answer for the rest of them. What the hell are they doing as abadala? Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Like it before Pumegona. Share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers.